This is the deck off of a John Deere L110 riding lawnmower, and it belongs to our buddy Wayne, who designed the epic Tyranis logos that we've all come to know and love. But it also needs some TLC. If I remember the story correctly, Wayne said he was drifting, it was a reverse entry into the corner, he may have clipped this wheel off the front of the deck, just came right off. So I have to weld this back on, and I see a couple cracks I'll weld up while I'm at it. In addition to that, I'm gonna take off all of these pulleys and wheels, flip this thing over, scrape down the entire underside, and lube everything up with some white lithium grease. Guess I should get to it. Finally done. Scraped this thing all the way down. Brand new paint job, lubed everything up, sharpened the blades on the bottom, painted those as well. The favor Wayne originally asked was just to weld this wheel back on, but I mean, you know me, I get a little carried away. So kind of ended up just doing a full resto on the thing, and I think it came out pretty good. So like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.